Welcome back, folks! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a scowl from Transformers Robots in Disguise. I don't know if I did this already, but I'm just going to draw it anyway, just for the heck of it. But drawing him is pretty easy, but I'm not sure if it is hard or not, but I'll just draw it to say for the heck of it. So, if you must know, Scowl is a Decepticon Dinobot. He used to work for Thunderhoof as a wrecker. He destroyed homes of bots that wouldn't vacate after Thunderhoof stole the land that they sat on. Truth is, Thunderhoof was a bit of a jerk back on Cybertron. Both he and Scowl end up on the Alchemor. In no relation to Scowler from walking with dinosaurs, but in the anime, in the show, he first met Grimlock when he was demolishing buildings, because he and Grimlock share a interest in wrecking stuff. I never thought that Dinobots could be evil. At first, in the G1 series, the Dinobot Optimus thought that most of the Dinobots were bad, but they were brought back into action again, and they became good guys ever since. Especially when Grimlock got that huge brain, got his newly evolved brain from that episode, Grimlock's New Brain. There we go. There's it. So, when you start drawing him, his body's mostly covered in spikes.
Yesterday burn and throw it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior.
Okay, next up, here's his arm here. Alexa, stop. Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, do you guys have any opinions on what kind of Dinobots should be in the next Transformers series? I know that there's this Transformers series on Netflix. It shows what the Autobots' origins were like. Plus, seeing Transformers in action from the Generation 1 series is kind of exciting, you know. It's not like the old days where they met Spike and his father, where they worked together and the Autobots were popular back then. Plus, the Autobots versus Decepticon wars. I'm starting to miss those old days. Plus, it would be nice to, let's see, think about the goodness of how much, the goodness of how Dinobots can be good guys and bad guys, and the Dinobots, they could be involved in the next episode of Transformers. Plus, the war for Cybertron doesn't exactly end. It still rages across Earth. And kind of like how the war against the Triceratons and the Krang coexist. plus, okay, so next up, let's just draw these parts here. What was our first thing? Oh yeah, draw the hand. Next up are the fingers. Okay, here's the finger. And there we have his hand. Next up, you just have to draw this part here. Now there's his body here. Not really. Hold on a second, you guys. Just gotta get something. We'll be right back after this short break. In the meantime, take a look at the picture and try to catch up. I'm back. So, remind me that next video, in one of the videos, I might have to draw Scowl's, vehicle mode, which is the form of a Dinobot. And, basically his body is just spikes. Same goes for his beast mode. I wonder if I should call it beast mode or Dinobot mode or vehicle. Be sure to leave a comment below. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Feel like the world don't love you. They only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you. You feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates. Pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes. You do good, but they want break. No matter what you give, they still wanna.
There we go.
Give your love and they throw it back. You give your heart, they go on attack. When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do. Say,
Next up, here's his arm.
burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like a warrior.
Almost done.
Let yesterday burn and go within a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Some things you should let go. They're only gonna pull you down. Just like weight on your shoulder. They're only gonna make you drown. We all swing high, we all swing
And done. That's how you draw a scowl. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? But, I know he doesn't look like much fun in the show, but he looks so much like his picture. Anyways, that's how you draw a scowl. So, who's your favorite Decepticon from the Transformers Robots in Disguise series? Make sure to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. So, have a nice day. Bye!